Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the show. We've got a really cool pedal to check out today, and it's the RD Compact Hot Rod by Origin Effects. Let's check it out. The RD Compact Hot Rod is an analog amp recreation paying tribute to the modified non-master volume amps of the 70s and 80s. As soon as I held it in my hand, I knew it was a really high quality piece of gear. It weighs nearly as much as my Zakk Wylde wah pedal. The brushed stainless steel construction, the fascia plate, the knobs, the switching, it is just really nice, and it's those finer things that I just thought it was worth noting. There's a few different ways the pedal can be used with your rig to suit your setup, but I'm just running it through the front end of the clean channel of the Marshall DSL20h today, just to see how it goes. The Marshall DSL20h is one of my favourite amps of all time that's ever been built, and you'll know that just by watching my channel, but I've found that the clean channel, I've never been able to get a tone out of the clean channel that I've been happy with. It's all the gain channel that I just really love about this amp. So if there's anything out there that can bring to life the clean channel and turn it into a hot modded Plexi, then I think it's a fantastic addition to this amp. The operation and usability of the pedal is really straightforward, with the amp output just adjusting the output volume. You've got the high and low frequency ranges, you've got a gain knob, you've got a blend knob here which is really interesting so that you can blend the original part of the amp and blend it with the signal that's being pushed through with the actual preamp here. As you can set it anti-clockwise and have a very transparent pedal, or set it all the way clockwise and you're getting the full effect of the pedal going to the front of the amp there. The post-drive EQ controls down here just sets the pedal to match your amp. If you've got a really dark sounding amp, you can set it down there to the input of the voicing 2 just to brighten the whole signal of the pedal up. And if you push the switch up to preamp, you can actually use the pedal as a preamp, going straight into an audio interface or into PA. But if you use that feature, you are going to have to use a cabinet simulation of some kind. And then you've got a subtle adjustment dial just in case the switching options here are a little bit too coarse. So that's the basic operation of the pedal. Let's just turn it off now. I'll show you the clean channel that we've got to work with. And as you can hear, there's not much going on there, but we'll just turn on the pedal. That really does sound like a Plexi, and it just blew me away the first time I heard that. I had to do that shoot to through a riff, it just stands out and you just want to keep chopping into that guitar until you break a string. But as soon as I think of modded Plexi, all I want to do is just play some Randy Rhoads. So if I just turn up a little bit more treble, add a bit more gain, back off the bass just to tighten the unit up just a little bit, I think that will give us a good I'll just try winding up that gain a little bit and just see how it goes. I think if we back off this bass a little bit, it might just tighten it up more and make that usable. And that's a really cool early thrash sort of tone there, or just rock. But if we just go back to a Randy Rhoads-esque style tone, we'll just play around with a little bit there and try and fine tune it in. And that really is cool. That's an awesome tone. I just want to try now. We'll just blend out the two and just see how this blend feature works. Just see how transparent it is. And that's just brilliant. I think that just works so cool with the Marshall DSL. It really has like an authentic Plexi tone to it and just brings really cool life to that channel. I'd love to try it now just through different amps and just see how good it can really sound when you've got a great clean channel behind it. But all that being said, guys, check it out, the RD Compact Hot Rod by Origin Effects. Take care, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Yep, show's over. Bye-bye.